Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube TV tutorial video. I will show you how to record on YouTube TV any episode or any show or any movie for absolutely free. Obviously, you will need to have a YouTube TV plan. But yeah, so first thing before we get started is you can record it on your computer. So if you're using a computer, if you're watching YouTube TV on your computer, you can just go and record with OBS or some other screen recording program. However, if you want to go and if you want to record on your TV, this is what you need to do. So as you can see, go to the magnifying glass icon and just go and search for a specific show. For example, as you can see right here, it says The Simpsons. So we can go and click on The Simpsons right here. And as you can see, you will be able to add this to library. Now, what does that mean? That means that once you select the add to library or the plus sign, you will be able to add this to library and it will basically start the recording. As you can see, it will say show added to your library will record upcoming episodes as they become available. So they will record the episodes for you. You don't have to do anything by yourself. And if you're using YouTube TV on your smartphone, you can also tap and hold any program to see a pop-up window and then tap add to library and it will be recorded. So if you don't want to go through the process of searching or for every show and how to record it on YouTube, this is the best way to do it. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next upcoming videos on YouTube TV. Thank you guys for watching.